This is my gel habitat for ants, which is going to be pretty cool. No project to do with my grandkids. I guess that's their food and their water. This was used to take ants out in space. Poke a couple holes in it with that stick and observe them with the loop and the magnifying glass. Put dead ones in here. I don't know. But this is it. I got the ants today. They're chilling in the refrigerator, so I'll be putting them in shortly. Alright, this is Ant Farm Minute 1. After they've come out from the refrigerator, to slow them down a little bit so you can pop them in the old gel. Yeah, got a man down. Not bad, I guess. Maybe actually only one that I can see that's actually dead. Maybe two. Cool. Oh, alpha ant. He's the one to worry about. He's going to be like, guys, I'm getting out of here. Who's with me? Alright, well, I've got 4 holes perforated. Let's see if they start digging there. Till next time.